is Sandra Nunez Courier and I work for Mesa County Libraries, and today I'm going to guide you through a craft. This is called Nature Mashup. I just want you to go back to those days where you just stroll into a garden or into a backyard and you just collected things from nature. Well, that's what we're gonna do today. Today, you're gonna need a little bit of water, a bowl, a wooden spoon or any spoon would work, a pipette, and I had to learn how to pronounce the word of this just for this video. So think about your favorite pie and a pet, pipette. Spices, I have a couple of spices, black pepper and other things, and various natural materials that I gather just from the Discovery Garden to the 970S studio. So I highly encourage you. I found some flowers, beautiful flowers. I found a little bit of lavender. It smells amazing in here. I found this, some dill. Leaves, green ones, reddish purple ones, and a little bit of a tomato plant. You don't have to collect leaves or flowers. It can be anything you want as long as it's from a natural source. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna grab my flowers and I'm gonna pull a couple of petals into the bowl, maybe a little bit of tiny ones. I'm gonna add some of this orange one. A little bit of this purple one. Beautiful. And now I'm gonna grab my water, squeeze the pipette, release it inside so you can gather some water. Do you see how the water is up? And I'm just gonna put some drops into it. I wanna make my petals float. I'm gonna add more water. You wanna make it float. Beautiful. Let's give it a little stir. And now I want to add my lavender. I'm going to add a little bit. And I'm going to smash that lavender with my spoon. I start smashing it. Oh, it smells so good in here. Then I'm going to add a little bit of this just for fun. Ooh, it's definitely a different texture. It doesn't float as well as the petals. Gonna stir it a little bit. And now I'm gonna add some of my spices. These are pickling spices. And I'm gonna smash everything and give it a stir. You can see the some of the water is turning yellow. Some petals are floating. Some of them, like this one, have disappeared. And the smell is pickling lavender. I want to add more water because I want to make this a super mashup, nature mashup. Now I'm going to add some of my colorful leaves, tomato leaves, and some other green ones. Now I am going to stir it, mash it. You can smell the leaves now. You can definitely smell the tomato leaves. And here it is, something so simple, but yet so powerful. We have looked at things, we went outside and found things with different colors, textures. We also added water and we observed how some of those things floated and some of those things sank down. We added spices. We turned the water into different colors. And the best part is that we smell pickles and lavender in this case. So friends, what would you name this mashup? I will name it pickle lavender. There you go. So when you create your own nature mashup, make sure to comment on this video and let us know what are the ingredients that you use for this nature mashup. I hope you have fun and have a great day. Bye-bye.